I swear you cannot stop at one bite. Anyway, hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell that comes right after subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much. I love you. So today we're going to make a red velvet, guys. Stay tuned. Okay. I'm not making a very large cake, so I will add butter according to the size of my cake and add sugar and stir that together. You can too use melted butter, so it's your choice. So I'll mix until I get what I want, like the consistency. I've used this word a million times in this channel. Anyway, I'll mix until I have what I want before I start the next process. With that, I'm going to start adding my eggs, and I'm going to add 3 eggs, and I will add each at a time. Add, stir, okay, mix. Then I add the other one, mix, that way. As you can see, my mixture starts getting pale, meaning we are on the right process. So, yeah. With that, I'm going to add my strawberry extract, which is my flavor for this method. So now I'm going to mix that, and I love this color. Okay. Then after that, I'm going to start adding my dry ingredients. That is 1 cup of all-purpose baking flour, 1 sachet of cocoa powder, this is to deepen the color, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and a pinch of baking soda. With that, I'm going to add 1 cup of lime water, hot lime water, and mix that together. And because it's a red velvet cake, I'm going to add the red food color and mix that together. That gives you a very good red mixture. And now our mixture is ready with that, okay? Please ignore any noise you hear. But with that, I'm going to add my mixture to my baking tin and bake it for 40 minutes at 180. For my whipped cream, I'll add 1 cup of whipped cream and start to beat that, okay? When it starts getting thick enough, I'm going to start adding my icing sugar and continue beating. My whipped cream is now ready for decorations, okay? What is a red velvet cake without some red decoration? So I took my red food color, added some lemon juice, then added the already made mixture, whipped cream, I mean, and mixed that together. Our cake is finally ready, so I'm going to put it in my tray and let it cool for at least 30 minutes to start decorating it. Our cake is now cool, so I'm going to cut the upper part, the dry upper part, and make crumbs with that. I'll use the crumbs for decorating on the sides of the cake. I will then cut my cake into two equal parts and start decorating it. You're not limited in decorating your cake, so just use what is good for you. Yeah. So I'll apply whipped cream on that part and add my other part and apply more. If you've not watched my video on how to make a black forest cake, make sure you watch it. I will link it in my description box. And give it a thumbs up if you like it, okay? And if you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and like my videos, okay? And comment what other videos you want to see next. Yeah. So I added my red whipped cream to my piping bag and started doing juju on my cake. I don't know what I am doing. But use what you have to do what you don't know. I'm doing what I don't know with what I have. Yeah. At this point, you just decorate your cake the way you want it to be. As I told you earlier, I'm going to add my crumbs at the sides of my cake, and that's for my decoration. And again, we do not waste. I just thought adding my sweets here was a good idea, and yeah, it was. They are sweets, and so they are sweets. Yeah. Our cake is finally ready. I cannot wait to taste it. Anyway, we'll keep it in the fridge for at least 10 minutes before we start cutting it. It's now time to do the cutting. This is always my favorite part, okay? As you can see, it's so moist. I cannot wait to see how layered it is. Can you see that? It's so layered, it's well layered. And now let's do the tasting. My mouth is watery already and I cannot wait to taste it. Oh my god, it looks so good. It feels so good. Like everything about this cake is good. I promise you, you will not be able to stop at one bite. Ever. Okay? But anyway, subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And bye, guys. Till next time.